Alright, so my package has arrived. It's launch day, 22nd, or whatever date it is, September. Let's see. Invoice. And here's the product. So, a lot narrower box than certainly I remember, although it's been a long time since I got a new iPhone anyway. TME, I noticed that they don't cover it in plastic anymore. Everyone wants to be green. And here's the moment. This is Pro Max 256 in natural titanium. There we go. Should probably stick a SIM card in it, eh? The only problem is I'm filming it with my other iPhones. That'll be interesting. Just in case you're wondering what's in the box, card and new to iPhone, USB-C to USB-C. So if you don't have a USB-C wall adapter, well, they didn't supply one. You're gonna have to go and find one. There you go. I didn't actually know that, but then again, like I said, it's been a while since I got a new one. Not sure if the previous ones were USB-A to Lightning, but these ones are C to C. But that's all right, I've got some A to C cables of my own. Notice the textured sort of braided finish as well. Certainly different than any past ones I remember. Comments will tell me whether this is a first or whether it's something that has already been done on the other USB-C Apple products. But let's get our SIM card in. And in case you were wondering, first thing in the packaging, or in this little slip cover, SIM card tool. And there's also a sticker for the fanboys. SIM card is in. There's our action button as well, something new on this phone. I'll just examine it. Certainly squared off. Reminds me a bit of when they went from the 3GS to the 4, how they went from a rounded to a more squared off design. What's old is new again. They've done that twice. They've gone back and forth a few times, so wonder if we expect that. There's our 3 cameras, including our new 5x telephoto lens. And there's the top. Third time's lucky. Default looks good to me, but I'm sure everyone knows about these parts if you're starting to get a bit hard of seeing, but it'll be interesting to see whether this finds my current iPhone, because it is sitting here, although I wonder if, because I'm filming, it doesn't want to play the game. All right, I'll get back to you. Gone for about 5 minutes now. This has stopped. Okay, no it hasn't, because it just moved. I was about to say it got to that sort of region really quickly and then started to take a long time, but I just saw it move again. So fingers crossed this software update works to transfer a lot of info from this old iPhone 11 over to our new 15. And yeah, you can see it definitely calls for a case, this phone, with the raised back panel here. The camera is very exposed. And now we've finished downloading, verifying. Install the update. All right, well, process is complete, sort of, but here's my old phone. The data's all been transferred over. Now I'm having a few issues, must be said, with my SIM card dropping out. It seems to work for about 2 minutes after I insert it, and then it drops out and says no SIM available, but that could be a carrier issue. We'll have to see about that one. But that's the changeover process. But I do want to highlight one thing. Let's just have a look. Here's the box from my iPhone 6 Plus. And let's see how well it opens. That's pretty good. I think that's about as good. I know they spent a lot of money on that experience, and that one's good. Nice, smooth cardboard as well. Here's the phone that I just got. Same thing. I don't know. I feel like it's just not as good. Maybe it's because the box is shallower. There's something about the feel as well. It just feels a bit grittier. But I don't know. Keep in mind, this one's like 4 years old as well, so time's probably caused a bit of change to this plastic, but I don't know. I feel like I still like that nice big opening a bit better than that one. I'll let you be the judge. All right. Thanks for watching a quick unboxing video. And I might add a bit of night filmography in there for you. Yeah, we can see the noise, but I mean, it's very dark. All right, thanks for watching.